Welcome to the channel. Today we will explore how to manage notifications on the Zangi app. Notifications can often become overwhelming, and knowing how to control them will help you stay organized and avoid unnecessary distractions. First, open the Zangi app on your phone. Next, tap on the settings icon located at the bottom right corner. Next, scroll down and find the notifications section. Tap on it to open the notification options. Here, you will see two main categories: chats and groups. These categories allow you to manage notifications separately, depending on your preference. Then, decide whether you want to turn off notifications for both categories or just one. If you prefer not to receive any notifications, toggle both options off. If you only want to silence group notifications but continue receiving messages from individual chats, leave chats enabled and turn off groups. Remember to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips like this video and share it with friends. Thanks for watching.